This code looks perfect, clean, it works. ChatGPT or Copilot gave it to you in 5 seconds. But it has a hidden fuse. And if you deploy this to production, you are starting a timer. I'm going to show you how to find that fuse before it blows up in your face. Let me prove it. Here we have a simple setup, an author, and his books. A standard one-to-many relationship with fetch type lazy, as it should be. You see this in every single project. Now, let's run a simple piece of logic. We get all authors from the database. And then we print their books. Seems harmless, right? The code runs, no errors. Everything looks fine. But now, let's look under the hood. Let's check the SQL logs. And what do we see? One query to get authors, and 5 more queries to get the books, one by one. This is the N+1 problem. This is the bomb. And you might think, so what? It works. Now, imagine you have not 5 authors, but 5,000. That's 5,001 queries to your database for one simple user request. Imagine 100 users hitting that endpoint at the same time. Your database connection pool will be exhausted in seconds. Your application won't just be slow. It will die. The first instinct, the trap everyone falls into, is to go into the entity and change fetch type lazy to eager. Never do this. You are fixing one problem by creating 10 more. You are telling Hibernate to always load the books, even when you just need the author's name. That's not a fix. That's a different kind of bomb. Forget eager. Our tool, our scalpel is the EntityGraph. Think of it like this. It's a specific instruction for a specific operation. You are telling Hibernate, for this query, and only this one, when you go get the authors, bring their books along with you in one trip. Here's how we do it. We go to our author repository. We don't create a new method. We override the standard find all method from JPA repository. And right above it, we place our order, our magical spell, EntityGraph, then attribute paths. And we provide the name of the field we want to fetch. books. That's it. That's the entire fix. The business logic in our service, it doesn't change at all. We still call find all. We just gave the database a smarter command. And now, for the magic, let's run the exact same logic again. Let's check the logs. One single query with a beautiful left join. Look at this. This is chaos. This is order. This is dying application. This is production ready code. This is difference between a coder and an engineer. The lesson here is not to fear AI. It's a great tool. The lesson is not to trust it blindly. Your job as an engineer is not just to write code. It's to understand its consequences. If I just saved your next project from crashing, you know what to do. Subscribe, because there are many more time bumps that AI leaves behind. And in the next video, we will diffuse another one.